I got the chills today, so I'm rugged up a bit. Hopefully, if this all goes to plan, I'll get some water. I'm getting low on water. And literally, I mean, you know, you've seen how I usually do the water. I go into town or somewhere, or up a river usually, and fill up the jerry cans, but I don't have it in me to carry it and lift it and do all that. So hopefully, good friends like Darren, he's now releasing his anchor, and he's going to get closer to me, and he's going to throw me a hose. It's good to have good friends, people. Just waiting. That's Captain Rick Moore and Maddie on their boat, and they've been looking after me too. They just came around today and gave me some lentils. I haven't really been eating. They've been offering to cook me stuff, you know, for the last week, but it's just not hungry at all. But as soon as she said lentils, I went, oh, Maddie's lentils. I started getting hungry, so it might be a good thing. Maybe I'm getting better. Anyway, so top stuff, Rick and Maddie. Wow! Oh, I dropped it! There you go, people. First try. Maybe you should play baseball. Or frisbee.
I was a pitcher.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
So strong!
You guys must love me. Or you're desperate for content.
Yeah, you're our favorite.
I wouldn't get too close, man.
Alright, babe, alright.
You know, one scratch on your boat is more than the value of my entire boat.
This is so ridiculous, I love it.
I think we're good. Ricky, it's okay.
Ah, this is the way to do it.
I think this is going to take 100 minutes, roughly. How good's this, people? Bloody great. Woohoo! All right, buddy, we're good. You can turn it off.
You can turn it off, man. It's freaking hot.
My brain's not working, people.
Ah! Fail.
I got the tip wet. I haven't been able to say that in a while. Thank you, guys.
Enjoy the water.
Bye-bye. I'll see you in a bit. I got to return the Tupperware
Now
from the
take a
veggies.
freaking shower.